Mathematics 4, Week 4. Our topic, multiplying mentally two-digit numbers by 1 to 2-digit numbers with products up to 200. Our objectives: multiplies mentally two-digit by 1 to 2-digit numbers with products up to 200 and explains the strategies used. Mental computation is very useful in your everyday living. Being able to compute mentally can save your time. It is easy to multiply a number if one factor has a single digit and regrouping is not involved in the process. You can easily find the product for as long as you know the basic multiplications rules. That's why I let you to memorize the multiplication table 1 to 10. Okay, so let us have a drill. Compute 52 times 8 mentally. Let's see if your answer is correct. Next, 74 times 63. Is your answer is correct? Let's see. Next, 493 times 5. Let's see if your answer is correct. Next, 264 times 59. What is your answer? Let's see. Next, 736 times 425. Let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, we are done computing mentally. We use different strategies on computing mentally. So we have here, class, the lattice method. This is one method that we're going to use when we are solving a non-routine problem. So how do we use this lattice method? Let's see this example. In your module, learning task number 1, mentally calculate the products of the items below. Write your answer on your notebook as fast as you can. Learning task number 2, read and solve the problems mentally. Write your answer in your notebook. Learning task number 3, try to multiply the following mentally. Write your answer in your notebook. And learning task number 4, answer the given problems below. Ask your parents to use a stopwatch while you are solving the given questions mentally. Read and analyze each problem. Next, solving problems involving multiplications of whole numbers. Our objectives: solves routine and non-routine problems involving multiplications of whole numbers including money using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. To solve routine problems involving multiplications of whole numbers including money using appropriate strategies and tools, follow these steps. To solve the problem, we're going to use the following steps. So in solving routine problems, we have steps. Okay, A. Understand. Under of the understand what is asked in the problem. So number 1, what is asked in the problem? You're going to select the questions inside the problem. Number 2, what are the given facts? So you're going to find the data inside the given problem. Letter B, we have a plan. So what is the operations to be used? So we have 4 operations: the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Since our topic is multiplication, the operations that we are going to use is multiplication. Number 4, what is the number sentence? So the number sentence, you're going to write the number sentence. Say for example, 2 times 4 is equal to n. And number 5, under the solve, use the operations to solve. So you're going to show your solution and the correct answer. So that is the 5 steps in solving the routine problems. A non-routine problems. What is this? So it can be solved without using a standard procedure. They can be solved by drawing a picture, using a number line, acting out, making a table, and other techniques. So what are those examples? So this are the example of non-routine problems. So we have here a lattice method. We use a table. So that is an example of a routine problems or non-routine problems. Then we have shortcut methods, or the way how to multiply. Okay, so that is non-routine problems, and especially when you use other techniques when you compute a problem mentally. Let us have this example. Read and analyze the problem. Jack bought 8 dozens of eggs from the grocery store to bake some pancakes. He plans to bake pancakes over 5 days. How many eggs did Jack buy? So that is our problem. To solve the problem, we are going to use the following steps: understand, plan, and solve. Okay, what is asked in the problem? Let's see what is the answer. Okay, number of eggs bought by Jack. So as you can see here in this problem, we have a question: how many eggs did Jack buy? So that is our problem, the number of eggs bought by Jack. What are the given facts? Let's see. 8 dozens is equal to 12 times 8 is equal to 96, and 5 days. So as you can see in our problem, we have a number 8 dozens and 5 days. Now, where we can get 12? Meaning 1 dozen is equal to 12 pieces. So if you have 8 dozens, you're going to multiply it to 12, and it is equal to 96. Plan. Okay, what is the operations to be used? We used multiplication. What is the number sentence? 12 times 8 times 5 is equal to 9. So that is the example of number sentence. Let us solve. Use the operations to solve. Okay, so 12 times 8 is equal to 96. Times 5 is equal to 480. Our complete answer, there are 480 eggs. Check and look back. Let us check if our answer is correct. 480 divided by 5 is equal to 96. 96 divided by 8 is equal to 12. Another example. Rosa receives from her mother an amount of 50 pesos as her daily allowance in school. She saves 5 pesos for future expenses. How much does she receive as monthly allowance excluding Saturdays and Sundays? How much does she save in a month? Okay, so what is asked in the problem? As you can see, the highlighted sentences is, how much does she receive as monthly allowance excluding Saturdays and Sundays? How much does she save in a month? So, there are two problems that they are going to ask. So, a number that Rosa received as a monthly allowance, and how many or how much does she save in a month. So that is the problem. How much does she receive as a monthly allowance excluding Saturdays and Sundays, and how much does she save in a month? What are the given facts? Okay, so we have 55 pesos daily allowance, and we have 5 pesos savings. So we have here 20 days. Where do we get 20 days? Because in 1 month we have 20 days or school, 20 days school. So you're going to multiply 55 times 20 and 5 times 20. Okay? So 20 school days in 1 month. What is the operations to be used? We used multiplication. What is the number sentence? As you can see, we have 55 times 20 is equal to n. 5 times 20 is equal to n. Let us use the operations to solve, or let us have the solution. Okay, so 55 times 20, let's see. Okay, so we have 1,100. Next, 20 times 5, the answer is 100. Okay, so the complete answer, 1,100 monthly allowance and 100 pesos saved per month. Check and look back. Let us check if our answer is correct. 1,100 divided by 20 is equal to 55. 100 divided by 20 is equal to 5. Learning task number 1. Read and analyze the problem below. Answer the following questions. So that is the learning task in your module. You're going to answer the following question. What is asked? What are the given facts? What operations will be used? Write the number sentence and the complete answer or the solution. Learning task number 2. Solve the problem using the steps on the word problem. Write your answer in your notebook. Again, you're going to answer the following questions. What is asked in the problem? What are the given facts? What is the operations to be used? What is the number sentence? Use the operations to solve. Learning task number 3. Write the letter of the correct answer in your notebook. So read and analyze each questions to find the correct answer.